Alright lads, so power chords. So the way you play a power chord is usually, right, is you've got a bass note on either the 6th or the 5th string, okay? Remember, this is the 1st string, this is the 6th, okay? So it's a bass note on, let's say, the 6th string for now, right? Then you hold the next 2 strings down from that 2 frets up. Okay? So now the trick to it is that the strings that you're not holding down, you need to touch, so you mute them, right? So you should have... So you see the way I'm not pressing that down, right? I'm just laying my finger across these strings here to mute them. So that's what it should sound like, okay? So that's one on the 6th string, right? But then when you take it down a string, you need to make sure that your first finger is touching the 6th, okay? So now we're blocking the 6th, like that, and then we've got, and then the 2 first strings are blocked as well because my finger's on them, okay? First finger is lying across them like that, right? Okay, so example we're going to use for that is going to be Blitzkrieg Bop. Okay, so that goes like this, right? So make sure so look up the song on Spotify. So Blitzkrieg Bop by the Ramones. It's one of the first ever kind of punk songs, okay? So we're going, so the way it sounds is this. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 downs on that one and ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 dum da da. So we're catching this higher one here. So we're taking it down so from the start we're going here, taking it down a string, and then dragging it up by 2 frets and hitting it on the way up. So da 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 dum da da. So then the other example we're going to use is TNT by AC/DC, right? So what if your bass string is open, right? You're just using the open E string here. So the same thing applies, okay? You're just next 2 strings down, 2 frets up, right? So we're going to use just kind of the pad of your finger there, right? I'm going to put that across these 2. But as well as that, again, we're going to be blocking the bottom, well, the ones that are physically on the bottom. The first 3 strings here we're going to block. So what we should end up with is this. Okay? Next is the other one, right? So we've got the open A string, so we're using our thumb to block the 6th string. So block, and they should be blocked as well, okay, these 2 down here. So TNT goes like this. Then we go up to the 3rd fret on the 6th string, right, and same as usual, next 2 strings down, 2 frets up. Then we go to the A one where we got the open A, get the thumb on the 6th string. And we just hit that G note there, 3rd fret on the 6th string. And then we just put a little bit of a drag on it. Okay, so slowly it's like this. So again, TNT, start off with the open E power chord, the low one, stop it, come up here for the G power chord, 3rd fret on the 6th string, the A power chord, open A string, blocking the 6th here like this, and getting the next 2 strings down on the 2nd fret, and then blocking these 2 strings. Then we've got our G note. Hit the G note, hit the A power chord, back to the G note, and you're ready to do another one, okay? Cool. Okay, so. Alright, so see how you get on with that stuff, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Talk to you.